Welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of the new arrivals at the dealership, just like this beast of a truck here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific truck, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, brand new design from Chrysler, or Ram in general I should say, a Ram 5500 regular cab heavy duty truck. Guys, this thing has it all. 6.7 liter diesel motor, it'll pull anything. It'll match with that Aisin transmission in it, this thing becomes a beast. Starting with the front end, you're going to notice you do have the upgraded front bumper with the big Ram logo on the front, wrapped in that really nice chrome all the way around. Also on the front, you're going to have your extremely large trailer hooks right there. Not trailer hooks, but just hooks in general. 19.5 wheels, nice big stout wheel. Definitely helps when coming to pulling this heavy duty truck around. It's wrapped in a real nice Continental HDR tire, so definitely capable, very, very good tire. Like I said, guys, this is a regular cab, as you can see. Also, it does have the capability for your tow mirrors. They can be flipped up when you're towing them heavy trailers, or they can be simply be flipped down just like that. Hey guys, this is an 11-foot service body on this with some bells and whistles on it that not everybody will stock. For example, this is 11-foot Classic 2 Reading service body, which is one of the best service bodies in my opinion in the industry. One of the big features that we do add to the majority of our boxes is we add the LED lighting in every compartment. So every door you see open is going to have an LED light in it, which is a really nice feature when it comes to getting into them boxes, especially early in the morning or late at night. And also we're going to have dividers throughout. Every compartment is going to at least have 1 or 2 dividers in it. And then dividers can be moved around to accommodate you and your business. And as you can see on the driver's side, you're going to have 4 doors, 3 going up and down and 1 going front to back, which is a nice feature when putting different tools into different spots. And the passenger side bed of this particular truck is going to be it's going to be equipped exactly the same as the driver's side. So all the boxes will be on the same as the passenger side as they are on the driver's side. LED lighting on the rear, as you can see here. Also LED lighting in the front of this humongous 11-foot service body. If you do have stuff in the back and you're in it at nighttime, that definitely comes in handy. Massive trailer tow hitch on the back with a 7-pin plug located right there on the side. As you guys can see, this is a white in color vehicle. And these are very hard to find, especially when it comes to dealers that actually stock the bed. Usually you'll find dealers that just put the chassis out and say, hey, we can have you that bed in a couple weeks. Well, I can have you this bed today. We keep them in stock. We don't leave them empty. We want you. We understand your business is valuable. Your time is valuable, and you need the product now, and that's what we're here to give you. Power mirrors, power windows, and power locks on this specific unit. This has the max tow package on it also, which will definitely help with pulling them heavy loads. Vinyl flooring, automatic overhead headlighting, Ram work grade vinyl on this truck. It's an extremely heavy duty vinyl that has a great feel to it. So definitely a really, really nice vinyl seat we have here. Inside the cab on the left hand side of the steering wheel, these 4 buttons located here on the bottom. They're going to operate your instrument cluster that's located right here in the center of your dash, in between your RPM and your miles per hour gauge. It's going to show you a bunch of different stuff, from your transmission tip to how fast you're going, what radio station you're on, miles till empty, your trip, some other trailer tow features, and a bunch of stuff that's built in there. Nice feature to have. Also, you have your Bluetooth capability. Program your phone directly into this radio, and you simply answer your phone by pushing the button. Carry on the conversation through your speaker system instead of grabbing for that cell phone while driving down the road. Cruise control is located on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and you can also change gears right under that if you've got a heavy load back there. Push button 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low, push button start stop. Like I said, AM FM, Sirius XM radio in this particular radio. It is free Sirius XM radio for a certain period of time. This is a touchscreen radio. It does have media capability. You can download media into it. And like I said, you can program your phone right there, and it's got a built-in compass. Operate your climate control with these three knobs right here. Factory trailer tow brake right here. 5 auxiliary plugs right here. It has an exhaust brake and a tow haul button right here. And of course, a very important one that a lot of people ask for, it has a PTO capability. This is a 3-person cab. Right now it's set up as a 2 with the center console with the cup holders and the nice storage bin there in the center. It can be flipped up for the 3rd person, so you can fit 3 people comfortably in this truck. It is a regular cab, but there is some storage room in this cab behind the driver and passenger seat, as you can see there, which makes it nice when you need to get stuff out of the way. And like I said, guys, this is a beast of a truck. 2019 Ram 5500, 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel motor with the Aisin transmission. Couldn't ask for a better combination. 4-wheel drive push button start. The radio on this is push button also. It has 19.5-inch wheels on this, wrapped in a really nice high-end Continental tire. Front chrome bumper throughout on the whole front. It's got this 11-foot Redding Classic 2 service body. It's got the latch-o-matics where you simply hit a button on this fob right here. It's locked or unlocked. You're done. LED lighting in all the cabinets throughout, LED lighting on the back, and many more options. If you want to see full description of this vehicle and every option that's on it, and over 50 individual pictures of this truck, please visit us at our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this beast of a truck sitting in front of us right here. And of course, for the guaranteed best price and one of the only dealers nationwide that is going to stock heavy-duty cab chassis trucks and actually put beds on them, and they're ready for immediate delivery, make sure you shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.